What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby. I'm back. Oh, did I forget how to do my intro?
Lord Jesus, have mercy upon the man here.
What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. I'm Shelby and you guys are my Seashells. If you're not already subscribed, please make sure you do that. I've taken a well-needed break. I felt like life was lifing, and you see, once life starts lifing, I'm gonna want to overshare, and I didn't want to overshare, so I just decided to take a step back and just live in the moment and do what I do best when I'm overwhelmed. Isolate. You're probably wondering why I'm driving on the road and I have my bonnet on. It's because I'm going to Cheryl. If you don't know who Cheryl is my wonderful hairstylist, my wonderful trichologist who has been taking care of my hair for about, 3 years now. It wandered really bad. And then today is Tuesday, which is Taco Tuesday. So you know what that means. I think, well, you don't know what that means actually. But yeah, it's like my new little tradition now where I go for tacos and margaritas because they're $500 pop. I think that's a steal if you ask me. I'm not a big margarita drinker or whatever the case is, but I really love a taco. So yeah, I'm asking if she want to go. Normally me and Aunt go, but I'm also going to call her shortly because she knows that it's the ritual. All right, Omega. She also knows that it's the ritual, and she should expect that that's where we will be going today. Anyways, I asked Cheryl when we can come to my hair. She said I must come today in the evening. People, it is when I called her earlier today, I said, Cheryl, what time have you come? I think you'd have come already. I said, but Cheryl is saying in the evening. And she said, yeah, we'll come now. I'm like, okay, girl. I thought 3 o'clock was afternoon. And I've been procrastinating all morning because I was supposed to, I know this is TMI, but I was supposed to go to the supermarket from earlier in the day. So here was the game plan, right? All right, Michael? Yes. So I woke up this morning and I said to myself, okay, I am on my period and I ran out of pads. I'm a pad girly. Okay, I don't like tampons. I'm gonna do menstrual cup and something. Cool. So I was like, okay, I need to go to the supermarket and pick up some pads. And I also need to stock up on some other groceries. I don't have no food in the house. Can you believe I don't have no tin food? Ew, from your tin food, you know, say it's serious. So you really need to go to the supermarket. So yeah, from me I have no tuna, not even a mackerel me I have. You know, it's bad. I needed to go, but you know what I did? I procrastinated. I waited because in my head, I was like, okay, Cheryl said in the evening. So I didn't need to go on the road like way early in the morning and then come home and then sit down and idle and then wait until evening to go. I just wanted to go to the grocery store, get some money for get, come home, drop them off, and then head back out at the same time. I called her earlier and I was like, what time have you come? Because that's the time I had planned to leave out to go to the grocery store. And no, she said if I come. No. So that's where I'm going. And did I go to the grocery store? No. And you're probably saying, but Shelby, you can just go to the grocery store after you come from Cheryl. No, I'm going for drinks. I have to be wearing tampons. That is what we're doing right now. Ooh, why is this person trying to pass me right now? You want me to like taxi man enough? Oh, that Jetor looks so nice. Oh, that's a nice Jetor. Ow. Sorry. I'm not really a car fanatic. I don't know nothing about cars. I think that all cars are the same. All cars do the same thing. I don't know nothing about features and all of that stuff. I don't know. Bro. But that Jetor right there, this black and white one, chef's kiss. Would I get a Jetor? I don't know. I hear people have complaints about it. But guess what? People have complaints about everything. People don't like Hondas. I have a Honda. My dad didn't even want me to get a Honda. He was like hell-bent on me getting a Toyota because they're more reliable, etc., which I understand. And I'm here just yapping. Oh my God, I missed you guys. I have not spoken to a camera like this in such a long time. And knowing me, I might cut out half of this because I don't like sitting down and watching somebody talk for too long in the same spot. Oh my Lord, Shelby, stop saying. Maybe when I come from Charlotte and I'm back in the car again, I will chit chat with you guys some more. I do miss vlogging. A little bit, because as I said, once too many things are happening in my life, I tend to want to overshare, and I am learning to just process my emotions and deal with things internally instead of yapping about things all the time. I also stopped going to therapy a very long time ago. I don't think I started therapy all year. Jesus! I think I went to therapy all year because I am very self-aware. I know everything that lady's telling me. I love her down. Big up Tanisha. Big up Tanisha anyway today in the chat. But, you know, yes, being self-aware is one thing, but if you're not gonna do things to actively help the situation you're in, then it kind of just defeats the whole purpose. Like, if I want therapy just for someone to listen to me, vent and whatever, then it kind of don't make no sense because I use ChatGPT to do the same. Can you hurry up and drive? I use ChatGPT to do the same thing. Yeah, so why am I gonna spend all that money to vent when I can vent to ChatGPT? Like, what I really need is a journal that talks back, and ChatGPT is like a journal that talks back. But not gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? AI is using all the water to power these data centers and all this something there. Yeah, I feel like I use up all of the water. And that's bad. That's bad. That's really bad, you know? And we should really encourage each other to make use of human interactions. And sure, I'm not saying nobody go talk to ChatGPT. I just tell them say that me do. I think one day I would do therapy again. I would do therapy again. Just not right now because I feel like it was also getting really repetitive because I have the same issues, and my issues are not something that can be fixed just like that. So also reach a shirt. So that's amazing. This is how you know I was rushing out to the house, because not even lip gloss. Whenever I put on, look, if me know my face is kind of washing up, but why it looks so oily already? Oh my god. So back my clothes and let's go inside. Let me put my shades on to seem like I'm a bad bitch. But funny, you know, I think I am actually really hilarious. I don't know. I'm gonna see nobody else funny like me on the planet, and that's a fact.
I see a Florida, baby. And she love it when the sun comes out. Sweetheart, but the dark comes out. Sometimes, she gotta put herself in check. She don't take no disrespect. You don't even got no faith, but she ain't living check to check. Her ass getting fatter now. She in the gym eating better now. She ain't tryna settle down when you ain't got your shit together, no. She in Florida, baby. And she love it when the sun comes out. Sweetheart, but the dark comes out. Sometimes she gotta put herself in check. She don't take no disrespect. You don't even got no faith, but she ain't living check to check. Her ass getting fatter now. She in the gym eating better now.
Guys, I am so in love with my hair. Like, I love my hair. I'm thinking of toning it down a little bit. Like maybe wash it with some purple shampoo or something like that. Look, I feel like because Shambert is gonna see my hair. You know, this is a surprise to everybody. Nobody saw my hair, so let's see. Yeah. Good night. Wow, you brought the big guns out. You don't say. Wow, I love this. Waves me a drone. This is so cute. I know she want to see that. Why you trying some blind? Yeah, discriminate against blind girl. And yeah, I wasn't gonna vlog this part because I like living in the moment, but I decided to take out the phone and catch 1 and 2 flip, my 3 tacos, Shami's 3 tacos, we all cheers, and then surgeon. Real friend. Pump up a haircut this week. After the time, pump up the because where we stop on roadside, right? I squash about me, so pump up the tire and it's still flat. God bless Jamaica. Good morning. As you can see, my lip is swollen again. And it doesn't look that bad right now because it seems to be going down a little bit, or maybe I'm delusional. But this swelling has been happening like 2 months now or whatever. I'm sure the last vlog you guys saw it. Like, me not even want to talk to her like this. So yeah, this swelling is a lot worse than, I'm still kind of not used to seeing my hair like this. Pause. What's your man? Yeah, I'm still. May I go cover my mouth? Kind of just not used to seeing my hair this color just yet, so you know. And in the dark it looks really dark, and then when you step out into the light, golden. I'm gonna go to the doctor now because something is not right. And this swelling lasted a lot longer than usual. Normally it goes down within a couple hours or the next day, and this one may have actually gotten worse overnight. I even bought DPH last night and took it because maybe I thought it was a histamine related issue, but I don't know. I'm gonna just wake up about this morning because why am I look like this? I'm very vain, you know. I'm very vain, and yeah, once anything messes with my appearance, may go crash out, because trust and believe this problem has been happening for a while, but it wasn't messing with my appearance. But now you got to go. Yeah, mess with my looks. So some of you walk around and I fold up my lip. It's embarrassing. When I come back, I'll clean my apartment because what? Why it look like this? Anyways, guys, I don't want to talk to no more because I just don't want to talk to nobody no lip. I'm gonna buy like some masks because. Hey guys, so I am back home now from the doctor. Did I tell you guys I was doing this? I think I did. My lip is still swollen, but it's going down now. I'm having a fruit bar. So basically the doctor doesn't know what's wrong with me, but she gave me some antihistamine tablets that I should take for 2 weeks. Sent me to do a blood test, which I will be doing when I get to Portland because it's cheaper. Yeah, she says I need to start logging everything that happens every day, what I eat, what I'm around, what I'm doing. I need to start using more hypoallergenic stuff, and I should lay off perfumes and the makeup and the lip gloss and all of that stuff. And I'm genuinely irritated. I test a lot of those things for promo. I go out more often where I would need to put on makeup, and my lips are dry as hell. So telling me not to use lip gloss, that not gonna happen. It not gonna happen. So whenever I do this blood test and they see what's going on with that, then we'll go from there. I'll continue to take the antihistamine stuff. I don't know, guys, honestly, this just really broke my vibes. Can I eat this and talk back to you? Give me a second. Anyways, so yeah, I really do think I need to use some purple shampoo in this head. It's a little, it's on the warmer side, and I prefer more cool toned. Like, I don't know if I want to go lighter or if I want to go darker, or as I said, maybe it's just the shade. Anyways, whatever. Everything does not stress me, and this is why I don't vlog. This is why I don't vlog, because a lot of things have been happening and I do not want to be spewing negativity. So I just don't vlog. I know when we decide to, okay, let's vlog, then you have stuff like this. It's not as bad as it was yesterday or even this morning, but it's still there. I can still feel it, but it is going down, thankfully. Good morning, Jam World. Am I I still in the same shirt you saw me in yesterday? Yes, I am. Cause I decided that I was just gonna stay in bed. I was just gonna go to sleep, and I'm gonna feel really pretty tired, so I'm gonna go sleep. Now I don't remember how much I said to you guys yesterday. My lip gone down, it has not swollen back up, thank heavens. However, heel back swell up and it hurts a little bit. I don't know what's going on with my guys, so stay tuned for that, I guess. Today I'm deciding to be productive. I'm trying to be productive. I'm gonna go to Portland soon, as in not today, but in the coming days I will be. And I don't know why I always wait until the last minute to do things, but this is the time I feel like getting my life together, like right before I leave, so when I come back I don't feel so bad. So I just got emails a while ago that some of my packages from requests just land, and I could really send an Uber for it. Like the Uber courier service, I really use that a lot, but I am deciding to get up out of the house and go for it myself. Then I'm gonna come back and do a little bit of cleaning because my room, I don't know how I cleaned my room the other day to perfection and it is back to square one now. I hate that very much. Yesterday I tried to dibble and dabble into cleaning my living room slash kitchen and I did not finish, so need to do that. I'm also hungry. I need to eat something. I don't have any groceries and I've decided that I'm not going to buy any because it would make no sense for me to fill up my apartment with groceries knowing that I'm going to leave soon and I'm going to have to go to Portland and buy more groceries. What else is on the agenda? I have a watch party to go to tonight, so I'll play mostly Brazil and Haiti. So I'm going to be going to Caymanas Park to do that. See what I talk about? How much back to that? 1, 2, 3, and 2 cups. Y'all caught me in 4K. You guys were not even supposed to see that, but hey. It is what it is. I think I'm caught up on most of my emails that I need to respond to. I need to get up and bed and kind of touch up my hair. I don't know why I was looking at my hair in a picture today and I was like, I'm ready to go back dark. I'm so indecisive when it comes on to my hair. I know it will grow out in no time and I will be back to dark hair in no time. And if it's not fast enough for my liking, I will just dye it back brown. Hello. Simple as that. I don't even know if I want it to grow out. I don't know if I want to cut it some more. I did cut it, mind you, as you guys saw. A little bit, but it coming like it made a difference. I even thinned it out, coming like it made a difference. I'm also picking up a new hobby. I don't know if I want to tell you guys yet, or maybe I should, but I'll give you guys a hint. So I'm starting a new business venture and it's called Slim Boulevard. So if you follow the Instagram page, maybe you'll get a hint if I decided to put any teaser up or anything like that. I don't know. So my goal, right, was to launch for this summer. But I'm a perfectionist and I have a bit of a vision. Now, initially, the ideas weren't as intricate or complex and it would have been faster turnover time. My brain decided to do a thing and the perfectionism start creeping and the overthinking start creeping. And now I feel like, Shelby, maybe we're rushing this, maybe we're moving too fast. But see, my thing is, if I do not move quickly when I have an idea, I will end up not doing it. And I'm kind of like on the fence with that. I feel like I overthought, overthink too much. And now I don't know if it is that I am stepping back or I really am trying to hone in and make it more perfect. Like obviously I don't expect it to be 100% perfect because I don't normally do this professionally. I do this for myself. So to be doing this and giving it to other people, it's a little bit scary. Honestly, I think I'm just scared. I think I'm just scared because I don't know what the outcome will be. I don't know how it will be received. I don't know if people are going to actually buy it. Yeah, and I also know that I might get a little bit of backlash, but I am also, I don't care. I don't care because I've been sitting on this idea for about 5 years and yeah, it's what I want to do. We'll just see how it goes. But right now, it is currently 10:35. I need to get up. I need to get up and do something with my life. I have from now until 5 o'clock to make something of my day, because by 5 o'clock, oh yes, so I can be at this watch party by 7:30, and after that I have this thing to go to over at AC Hotel that they invited me to. It's their 7th anniversary, so I might oh, big on the might, because depending on how the thing at Caymanas go, if I have the energy, then I will go. If not, I come on me and go sleep. I feel like I thought that I lost a little bit of love for vlogging, but that is definitely not the case. I just feel like I have a lot on my plate, and my thing is I would like to vent and get things off of my chest before I come and smile up in other people's face. I feel like I have imposter syndrome, because I could be going through the world and I'm here laughing and kicking in people's face like I'm okay, when I am not really okay, but also I am. It's a very weird spot to be in. And I hate coming on the internet and, you know, it's feeling like, oh my god, there's always something going on in Shelby's life. It's so annoying. Can she ever have a good day? I would never forget that comment. You know, the person would comment that and ask me if me never ever have a good day. Me hate you. Me hate you. Me hate you like oh Spice did eat Nara Blue Shoes. Cause now it's like I don't wanna come on here if I'm having a bad day, because I don't want y'all to be saying that. But at the same time, I also don't care, because if I have a bad day, I just have a bad day. Will I wallow in that bad day? I am trying not to. I'm trying to have a good day. I'm trying to have better days. I am trying to have better days, you know? I washed a lot of laundry. So, you know, I'm not backed up on so much laundry like one time. You know, I should wash some more clothes. But you know the other problem? I don't have anywhere to put these clean clothes. I washed so much laundry the other day, and my drawer them full, my closet basically full. I don't know. Let me go plan my life and come back. I didn't go to pick up my stuff. I got them delivered, and I'm also going to the watch party. No, I'm waiting on Auntie to pick me up. So, yeah. In honor of Brazil. We made it! Hello, Brazil. Yo, watch for the shirts. No, just ignore. Right.
Sports. You remember OSMO from Brazil? Well, this is two from the draw with Morocco.
Yes, man.
Tonight, the other team is on top. Eagle to
Nice.
Got a good season of Manchester United stars.
Even know where to start. Yes, hi, me again. So I don't know anything about sports, but the hype of it was fun. Congrats to Brazil, I guess. Anyways. First goal. Anyways, bells, thank God. Yay! Go team! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye, have a great time.